Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. In this video, we're going to understand 4 fundamental hydraulic terms in hydropower engineering: gross head, net head, operating head, and rated head. These are essential concepts for anyone involved in the design, analysis, and operation of hydropower projects. Let's go step by step. 1. Gross head, HG. Definition. Gross head is the total vertical distance between the water surface at the forebay or reservoir, upstream reservoir, and the tail race, downstream when there is no flow. That means under static conditions. Formula: Hg equals H headwater minus H tailwater, meaning it represents the maximum available head before any hydraulic losses occur. Example: if the water level in the forebay or reservoir is 1,200 meters and the tail race is at 1,100 meters, then gross head, Hg equals 1,200 minus 1,100 equals 100 meters. Net head, Hn. Definition. Net head is the effective head available at the turbine after deducting all hydraulic losses, such as those caused by friction in the penstock, bends, valves, and trash racks from the gross head. Formula: Hn equals Hg and HL, where HL represents total head losses in the water conductor system, meaning it shows the actual head used to generate power at the turbine. Example: if total hydraulic losses are 5 meters, then net head, Hn equals 100 minus 5 equals 95 meters. 3. Operating head, HO. Definition. Operating head is the head at which the turbine actually operates at any given time. It changes with variations in forebay or reservoir and tail race levels, which can fluctuate seasonally due to changes in discharge or reservoir operation. Formula: HO equals H headwater actual minus H tailwater actual minus losses, meaning it represents the real-time head during plant operation. Example: during monsoon, when the tailwater level rises, the operating head decreases compared to the dry season. 4. Rated head, HR. Definition. Rated head is the specific head at which the turbine is designed to produce its rated or maximum power output efficiently. This value is determined by the turbine manufacturer based on site data, meaning it serves as the reference head for turbine design, testing, and performance evaluation. Example: if the operating head varies between 90 and 100 meters, the turbine may be rated at 95 meters. Summary table: head type, definition, depends on, typical use, gross head minus head losses, gross head H difference between forebay or reservoir and tail race levels under no flow condition, elevation difference, initial design estimation, net head, gross head minus head losses, hydraulic losses, power calculation, operating head HO, actual head during operation, flow, tailwater, losses, performance monitoring, rated head HR, head for which turbine is designed, manufacturer's design. Turbine specification, power output relation. The power generated from a hydropower plant is directly proportional to the net head. The formula is P equals obsRE GQHN, where P equals power in watts, P equals efficiency of turbine and generator, GRE equals density of water, approximately 1,000 kg/m², G equals acceleration due to gravity, 9.81 meters per hour. Q equals flow rate, m cores per econ. Hn equals net head hem. Conclusion. To summarize, gross head gives the total elevation difference between the forebay and tail race. Net head is what actually produces power. Operating head is the real-time working head that varies with flow conditions. And rated head is the design reference for the turbine. Understanding these 4 heads is vital for accurate hydropower design and efficient plant performance. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more technical insights on hydropower engineering. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.